Today, I want to tell you a story about success.
What story, Dad?
Is it interesting?
Yes, tell us.
It is about a poor boy.
Was he very poor?
Yes, very poor.
Huh. What was his name?
His name was Ali.
What did he do?
He worked very hard.
Did he go to school?
Yes, but with difficulty.
Why difficulty?
Because he had no money.
That is sad. How did he study? He studied under a street light. Really?
Yes, every night.
That shows dedication.
Did people help him?
Very few people helped him.
Was he ever tired?
Yes, but he never gave up.
That is a strong boy.
What did he want to become?
He wanted to become a doctor.
That is a big dream.
Yes, but he believed in himself.
Belief is important.
Did he face problems?
Many problems.
Like what? No food, no books, no support.
Very difficult life.
How did he manage?
He worked during the day.
And studied at night?
Exactly.
That is real hard work.
Did he succeed? Yes, he did.
How?
He passed his exams with high marks.
MashaAllah. Then what happened?
He got a scholarship.
That is great. And why?
He continued his studies.
Did his life improve?
Slowly, yes.
Was he still poor?
At first, yes. Then, he became a doctor.
Wow, amazing.
Did he help others?
Yes, he helped poor people.
He was kind too. Yes, very kind.
That is a good human.
What can we learn?
Hard work brings success. And never give up.
Correct.
Education is important.
I understand now. Me too.
Always believe in yourself.
And stay honest. I will work hard. I will also study daily.
That is good.
We are proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
Remember this story.
I will never forget it. Me too. Stories teach us lessons.
Yes, important lessons.
I want to be successful.
You can be.
I also want success.
You both can do it.
With hard work and honesty. We promise. Yes, we promise.
Never lose hope.
Hope gives strength.
I feel motivated.
Me too.
That is good.
That is good.
Keep learning. We will.
Always.
Success takes time. We will be patient.
Yes, we will. Patience is important.
Very important.
Thank you for the story.
It was amazing. We learned a lot.
I am happy.
We will follow this path.
Yes.
Always. Stay focused.
And stay strong.
We will try our best.
We will not give up. That is the spirit.
Keep moving forward.
Success is our goal, and we will achieve it. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Thank you, everyone. We choose success.